This is okay. Chicken. These are parsnips. I overcooked my parsnips because I put them in the chicken. Very fatty, very tasty. Fried tomatoes and mushrooms. Where's my mushrooms? They're hidden under there somewhere. Some potatoes, sort of sauteed potatoes. This is the last of my chicken now. Listen to the OB. Now I want to compare this with the Prophet. There's a big difference in sound. And this is the Prophet. There's a real difference in tone. I'm going to have to find the electric piano sound on the Prophet and do a better comparison, but it's just a completely different taste, the sound of the Prophet 6 compared to the OB-6. It's warmer, but it hasn't got the same strange flavour as the OB. Okay, that's tonight's synth supper.